intentional.
Yeah.
But like, bilang isa sa mga talagang tinitingala icons of this industry, what's your reaction to the ongoing, of course, circus that's happening?
Okay, so
in politics?
I was with my friends yesterday. So sabi ko, I had to catch up on the news because I'm so busy with work and I don't want to be sidetracked because kailangan ko mag-focus sa ginagawa mo. May tinatapos akong pelikula, ang dami kong ginagawa. Kung pakikinggan ko pa yung news, panonood ko pa yung news, baka hindi ako makapag-concentrate. But of course, I had to catch up because as a citizen, it's my job to be in the know. It's my job to know what's happening, not just to be updated, but to also be in touch with what's happening with your nation because you're a citizen, you know. And then, you know, dito nangyayari yung patriotism. So I want to be aware, but you know, you cannot point fingers right now. But I've been praying about it. Sana mapanagot talaga yung kailangan managot para naman magkaroon ng konting rest, para magkaroon naman tayo ng confidence sa gobyerno natin at sa bansa natin because this is not about anyone anymore. This is about the Philippines. So sana lang magkaroon tayo ng, yun lang, awareness na, you know, we can be apolitical, we can be apathetic, but at the end of the day, you have to do what you have to do as a citizen, as part of this nation. And I think, you know, from my end, hindi kasi ako opinionated na tao, hindi ako nakikialam sa ganyan. It's not my turf. Pero push comes to shove, you know, gagawin mo talaga yung kailangan mong gawin para maprotektahan yung bansa mo, hindi yung gobyerno, kundi yung bansa mo at ang pamilya mo at ang paligid mo.
Okay, ako, you're one of the highest taxpayers.
Oo.
Kaya nga napakasakit, di ba? Meron akong back tax na kailangan kong bayaran, hindi ko mabayaran kasi parang kung bibili lang naman nila ng luxury goods, pambabiyahe lang naman nila. Hindi, joke lang.
Tax refund ba? Tax refund?
Wala nga tayong tax refund eh, pero wala, you have to abide, especially, you know, you're in the business. Pwede kang pagdiskitahan o pwede kang i-audit. Kaya nga kami talaga ever since, especially sa showbiz, black and white. Kasi nakaharap ka eh, tapos taxpayer ka pa. So no matter what happens, hindi ko na lang iniisip kasi pag iniisip mo pa kung saan napupunta yung binabayad mong tax.
Sinisilip mo ba magkano?
Yun.
Yung saktong pagkunwari ngayong buwan, oh my God, yun ang katas.
Yung lagi ko naiisip, bakit? Tapos hindi mo naman nakikita yung nangyayari. Kaya I'm trying to not think about it para hindi ako mapikon. Kasi nakakapikon, di ba? At the end of the day, and you have this flood control projects and you see all your fellow men having a hard time trying to, you know, get by na nababaha this and that. Sana magkaroon ng konsensya yung mga taong involved kasi nakakahiya tayo. Sana makonsensya sila. Kasi yung pera, sa kapadadlagan ng pera mo, sana yung sapat na. Wag mo nang nakawan yung mga taong naghihirap na nga. Hayaan mo pa maghirap pala. Magkaroon tayo ng konsensya, yun lang pwede ko sabihin.
Thank you, Bobby. Kinata kami ni Kares.